Hello, my name is Simon. Welcome to Kent High Performance Cars, where we are proud to offer this beautiful 2001 Ferrari 360 Spider F1. Presented in Argento Nürburgring with Nero leather, stitched silver and Nero carpets. This is one of only 513 right-hand drive F1 examples ever built. She has covered a mere 29,000 miles from new, recently benefiting from an F430 exhaust system and a challenge Stradale TCU upgrade. Supplied new by Maranello in September 2001 and known by us since June of 2018. The car comes complete with leather book pack and its tool roll. The car will be subject to a full service before being delivered to its new keeper. Going inside the car, the Nero leather and the carpets are in superb condition, complemented by the silver stitching. If you have any questions or would like to view the car, please call us on 01622 759 599. Many thanks for your time. Bye bye.